Welcome. If you're looking to unmute a topic in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing your group's conversations and notifications is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unmute a topic, so you never miss out on important discussions. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Head over to your browser and log into your Telegram account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to manage topics and their notification settings, so make sure you have the right permissions. Click on the group to enter it. Inside your group, you'll see a list of topics or threads, depending on how your group is organized. Browse through the topics until you find the one you want to unmute. Maybe it's a topic you muted earlier to avoid distractions, but now you want to stay updated with every new message. Here's the key step. Right-click on the topic you want to unmute. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Unmute and click on it. Instantly, notifications for that topic will be re-enabled, and you'll start receiving alerts for new messages posted there. Unmuting a topic is a great way to stay connected and ensure you're always in the loop, especially for important conversations or announcements. If you ever need to mute it again, just repeat the process and select Mute instead. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can control which topics send you notifications and tailor your Telegram group experience to fit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your organized, distraction-free chats.